Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some grants. $42,000 worth of grants. While I teach you guys how to get money, of course, using your personal credit so that you can have sustainable money that you can always use to scale and grow your business, it doesn't hurt to have grant money, which is free money, infused into your business to also help with that growth with some money that you don't have to pay back. The only thing with grants is that you have to usually win them competition style. So you won't always be awarded them. And then you have to do a good bit of work to apply for them in some instances. And maybe some of you guys don't have all the time in the world to put in those applications and whatnot. But they're still great to have. So you don't want to miss out on opportunities where you could possibly get one. Put your hat in the ring and see if you can get some free money. And that's why we're going to go over 4 grant options today. Now, the first grant we're going to talk about is one called From Honeycomb Credit Small Business Grants. So this one is in the amount of $10,000. You see here it's open to all small business owners. You can use the funds to expand your product line, move to a new space, purchase new equipment, or anything else that will help you break through in 2025. And for this particular grant, I did see a sister on a different channel. I believe her name of her channel is Superior Solutions, and she's actually offering help on getting this grant in particular. So I'll put a link to her channel down below if you're interested in getting help in applying for this grant. Now, this next grant is going to be coming from Sky's the Limit. Now, you can see they're offering $2,500 in grants available this February. Now, with this particular grant, each month, they're going to award starter grants of up to $2,500 to entrepreneurs, thanks to generous support from their partners. And they also have additional funding opportunities for registered members. So here's what you get when you actually register and become a member. You get one-on-one mentorship. You get actual, human support. Their member experience team can help you get started, include you in members-only events, and connect you with startup resources. So you can see here they have tools and resources and special events, including workshops, talks with industry professionals, and pitch competitions. So you get a lot with Sky's the Limit. Now, this next grant is going to be from Halcyon, and it's going to be the Future Builders Fellowship. You can see here, this program brings together founders from across the U.S., empowering them to address climate changes, health barriers, and equity gaps. Now, what does it mean by those specific sectors so you can know if this applies to you? Well, in regards to climate, you can see that it deals with renewable energy generation, green building technologies, climate data and analytics, climate smart architecture. You can pause the screen right here and see what applies to climate. Here is everything that applies to health. So go ahead and pause and screenshot or take a look at this. And here's what applies to energy tech. So go ahead and pause, take a screenshot of this. Now it says founders gain expert training, critical resources to accelerate their ventures, a 1-week in-person residency in Washington, D.C., and a 1-week in-person residency in Atlanta. Now, in addition to that, the main grant amount that you're winning here is $5,000 in equity-free stipend per venture. And you also get $10,000 in Amazon Web Services credit. Now, these applications open January 7th, but they're going to close February 16th. So this is something that you definitely want to jump on ASAP. And to be eligible, they're looking for for-profit startups that are building scalable solutions that are tackling those challenges in climate, health, or equity tech. You must be operating in the U.S., that's your business, and you must have a minimal viable product that has the potential to scale. And you also must be working on your venture full time. You may apply with up to 1 co-founder. The applicant must be the CEO and or hold primary decision-making power. You must speak fluent English, and you must be at least 21 years of age by the start of the program. Now, before we get to the biggest grant on the list, really quickly, if you guys have been trying to get money for your business, I'm talking credit from the bank, and you've been denied or getting low limits, then listen to this. So let me guess, your business is stuck and feels like it's not growing, and you need more funding to take on bigger projects and cover your expenses. But everywhere you go to apply, you keep getting denied or you get very low limits. Then don't cover the things you need to pay for. That's why I'm launching a community for entrepreneurs where you can learn how to get all of the money that you need to finally get your business to the level that you've been trying to reach. In the community, you'll have all of the tools and resources you need to get your credit from where it is to the 7 or even 800s. You'll learn the blueprint for your credit profile and business structure to make sure you get those approvals and at higher limits, as well as the step-by-step process for going to the major banks and securing anywhere from 20, 50, or even 100 plus for your business. You'll get weekly calls as well as business strategies to help you utilize the funding that you get to actually maximize the returns that you see in your business. Now, I'm Will Frazier, and for the past decade, I've helped consumers and business owners improve their credit profiles and get money for their business so they can get unstuck and see the growth they've been trying to achieve. And I'm here to help you do the same for free. Just click the link to check out my community, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, now let's get back into this last grant, the biggest grant on the list. And that is going to be the Lenovo AI grant. And this is a part of their Evolve Small initiative. This initiative is dedicated to championing minority, disabled, and women-owned small businesses. And what they're doing is giving it an AI twist this year. Now in 2025, their partners at Intel and Microsoft are dedicated to leveraging their expertise to give small businesses the tools they need to navigate this new technology. Okay, so what is the amount that you'll win? $25,000 and a customized AI technology package valued at $10,000, and inclusion in the Goody Nation and Chantel Cohen membership programs. Okay, one of the important things you do need to know is that you need to have revenue over the past 12 months ranging between 100,000 and 7.5 million. So again, that means that your revenue has to be at least 100,000 and no more than 7.5 million within the last 12 months. And the other qualification metrics are going to be small businesses located in the greater metropolitan areas of Atlanta, Chicago, Dallas, Los Angeles. I'm not going to go through all of them, so you just go ahead and see what's highlighted here on the screen, and you can screenshot that. Now, you also have to have 75 or less employees, and you must be using Microsoft 365 as the primary computer operating system on your computer in order to be eligible to apply. Now, look, if you've strictly been applying for grants because you know your credit isn't where it needs to be to go and get a loan or a credit card from the banks, then go ahead and watch this video to learn how to get your credit score up. Or maybe you've actually been messing up on the applications when you apply at the banks. A lot of business owners do this. Go ahead and check out this video to learn what to put on the application, just like my clients that get on average of 100,000. And I'll see you in the next video.